Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is vitality. It's time to work on the vitals. Eat right. Treat right. I need you on a massage bed or chiropractic office at least twice a month at a minimum. I need you to stay away from pork, shellfish. There's no way that we can manifest a healthy body and a healthy life with a dirty, filthy diet. I am a being of light, and I accept the divine energy within my body. Every one of my cells regenerates, and you are able to flourish. What does it benefit you to have your heart's desires, and if you can't enjoy it due to poor health and poor thinking? Make sure that you go to that masseuse so it can open up that lymph system. It can flush all the junk out. Get some pressure off of those nerves so you can actually find some peace and enjoy your life. Because once you feel better, you think better. Therefore, your life becomes better. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.